In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Stellar Blade on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You might remember that when Stellar Blade originally released, it was only available for the PlayStation 5, so a PlayStation exclusive. But of course, as people knew ahead of time and with the announcements, it was revealed for PC and it is currently officially available. So if you want to play Stellar Blade on PC, instead of acquiring it from the PlayStation Store, you will have to purchase the game from the Steam Store. When you access the Steam Store page for Stellar Blade, you will see this warning. Make sure that you read through all of this, enter your birth date if you would like to continue, and here it is. So you can browse through screenshots, you can browse through reviews. At the moment, it is at 95% positive, so overwhelmingly positive. And you will find the option to purchase the game. You will see the price in your own local currency, and during the time that I'm recording this video, it is actually on sale. You can download a demo if you would like to try out the game before committing to a purchase, and you will be able to compare the editions. So they have the base game only, and then the complete edition. The complete edition is going to include some special outfits, twin expansion pack, Nikke outfit CD key, and possibly other bonuses. So make sure that you read through all of this. Super simple to do. It includes achievements, as I've mentioned before, and you can see the system requirements here at the bottom. So if you are not sure if your PC is going to be able to run it, compare the system requirements or look for benchmark videos on YouTube with your specific hardware. If you have never used Steam before, you will download the Steam launcher on your PC, purchase the game using a variety of payment methods, and after it has been purchased, it will be available for you to download digitally and play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.